I don't know if you can tell how green that is, but it looks like mint chocolate chip layer. It's good stuff. Let's find some teeth. I guess I don't have to really point out where the tooth is, but that looks like a big mako. Be nice if it was all there. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, these fragile teeth, you really gotta take your time, because if you pry them up too soon, they'll just snap in half. So try not to have anything on top of them. All right, let's do it. Ooh, yeah. That'll do. That's a good tooth. That's a good mako. Big one. Jeez. That's pretty big mako. Pretty nice one too.
Seen a bone down here. So I'm trying to get closer. It looks like there is a tooth. And see if it's whole. Hey, not bad. Not bad, I'll take it. There's a little hemi. Cool.
He has a tooth. Let's see. There it is. Oh, it's broken. No! It can't be. You sure? Yeah. No! Oh, it's so hard to get these things whole. Yeah. Oh, it's a huge one too. Is that another one? Sure is. It's a pile. Okay. Stick it to the wall? Yeah. Man. Oh, what could have been? Dude.
Chunkosaurus.
Chunkosaurus.
Where we at?
The tip right there.
What? That could be a good one.
It could.
Oh. There was a whole thing.
Oh!
No.
Negative.
No, maybe it's there. Maybe it's just a...
It's not there.
No.
Oh.
Feel around, see if it's down there. Come on.
Nope. Unfortunately not.
No.
Dang. Man, that gets it going.
This proves it does happen to everybody.
It does. Man.
Oh, I thought for sure.
Look at that. That's sweet. Oh, this Meg. Almost a killer. It's still pretty nice. This is just missing that enamel over there and a little chunk right there. But man, when you're digging these things out, you have no idea if they're gonna be good because they're covered with junk. So it's a surprise until you wash them off, but I'm happy for everyone. Look at this thing. It looked like a sperm whale tooth. But this part right here looks like a massive tilly bone.
Oh, it does. That is crazy.
It's huge. I've never seen one this big. If that's what it is.
claw.
Maybe it's something else. I don't think it's a claw, but
Wow.
yeah.
That's cool.
Look at this bone. I think this is a tilly bone. It's like an arthritic bone, but I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I also thought maybe venom sac or something from a giant ray, but I don't know. I haven't been able to find anything. So if you know, give me a shout. He says he's got a mag. Cleansing it. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Not bad.
Can't beat that.
No, man.
Complete.
Yeah, nice.
Got one in the wall on the way out.
All right.
Hoping this wall doesn't collapse.
Well, be quick about it, so then you can get away before it does.
I'm not trying to die.
I know.
How's that looking?
Looking pretty good.
Freaking bug.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, that corner's gone.
Oh,
Cornerless. That's the best tooth of the day, though.
heck yeah.
Look, there's the corner. All right, Jordan says he's got one, and
I need a little blade for
You
this
need a
big
blade.
blade.
yes, sir.
All right, the hand off. Okay, that's good to keep watch out.
Knife does not have a safety. Out to self.
It kind of does, but it's packed with dirt.
It's not moving.
Oh, there's so much dirt.
Ooh, my sakes. Big one. Good eye on that one.
Oh, no. Say it ain't so.
No. Don't do that. It's not what you're supposed. Not supposed to go down like that.
You want the big shoulder on top of it, or not?
Gonna make me go up there.
It isn't coming out easy for you, is it?
No.
One of the roots is in there.
Oh, that
Horse
horse.
Horse tooth.
Word.
Look at this. That is a nice horse
That's-
tooth. It's
yeah.
complete, too.
Pretty good.
Hey, this shark was gnawing.
Well, you got a twofer.
Look at that.
2 for 1. The horse. Yeah.
Let me get on out of here.
Oh, dang it.
Got a meg.
Right there. Oh, yeah. Let's get all the stuff off the top of that thing. Oh, man. That looks like it's going to be good. Big reveal. Oh, man. That's a stunner. Wow. Look at that. What a gem. It's not very big, but man, that color is so awesome. It's got a purple sheen. I don't know if you can tell that from the video or not, but it actually looks purple in your hand. Got the burlette, some serrations. Daymaker. There we go. There's the group shot, all my nice stuff. I really appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And if you have already, I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.